Hello guys, Flicker Gaming here. Today we're just playing well, we're not really playing anything. We're doing a different type of video today, a tutorial on how to make your own custom thumbnails and whatnot. So, it doesn't really matter where you go to first, but I'm just gonna make an image. Well, I'm just gonna make an image on leavesoap.com real quick. It'll only take about a few seconds for me. That actually kind of looks nice. I'm gonna full screen it for a second. Okay. Well, I did say it was only going to take a few seconds, but now I kind of want to get a little detailed with this. Okay, a bit of red right here. Yep, that. I think that works. Yep. So basically, after you have the image you want, like I do here, you're gonna want to save it. Save them in as. Yeah, save it like this. Let's just call it cool image, since I already have one under that name. And yes, I know I ordered my folder pretty simplistically, but okay. So then after that, you're going to want to go to Panzoid and use their backgrounder tool. Now, depending on which resolution you want, you're going to have to change it to that, but on this one we're going to use 0. Then we're just going to import the image and all that. Oh, I was a bit off. Whoops. Okay. Watch, I'm not going to add on there. It's going to be 1, 2. Sorry about the background noise, everyone. It's thundering outside. Okay, at least it's not as. That would probably explain why I'm lagging. Okay, so what you're going to do now is change the background opacity to 0. So I'm going to start with a bit of grayscale. And this stuff is going to be loading for a bit. Okay. Oh. So after that has taken effect, that's what I typically do. It adds a. Wait, is it not lagging anymore? It's not lagging anymore. Good. See, well, that's not really perfect, I guess. It's still quite. It still has a quite nice little look to it. Wait, I wonder. That's how you would extract the background and everything else. Actually, I wonder, does it just match, like, does the grayscale affect it? So all you would have to do is add this effect. Then, unfortunately, what you'll have to do after that is you would have to export it to a web page, well, a web page file, then send it to, then you would have to send it to Discord and download it. Well, you can technically open it, but I'm not gonna show that because it would show my it would show the place it resides on there, like the file destination. Okay, I think we're gonna end off with this crashing. So, if y'all enjoyed the video and everything else, I hope y'all didn't mind all the lag and everything else that went on in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out some of my other tutorials whenever you get the chance.